Hi everyone, Dean from Independent Land Rover Specialists. So our team gets to work on some pretty special Land Rovers at the shop. This particular model is one of those vehicles that really gets our juices flowing. This is a 1995 North American-spec, one of only 500 made and one of only 90 in Arles Blue. So super rare, super unique. The special thing, it's only done 29,000 original miles. So let's get into some of the specifics about this vehicle. When it came to us, it was pretty rough. The paintwork had faded, the chassis was rusted, the interior was pretty rough and ratty. It had some water leaks that had got in, some mold inside. But the beauty of it was the low mileage. The bodywork was actually in really good shape. A few dings and dents, but all original paint, never been in an accident. Everything was super, super original. So when I sat down with my team to decide what we were going to do with this car, the goal was really to maintain a lot of that original patina. You only have original paint once, so we really try to maintain that, protect it, get it back to what it was originally. We then removed the body from the chassis, replaced the chassis with a brand new galvanized version, so a lot better than what it was original. And then put it all back together with all new stainless steel hardware, stainless steel brake lines. Everything that we touched on the car, the goal was to get it back to better than what it was new, but still maintain that originality. We did LED lights all the way around, some safety upgrades. All the plastic you see, grille, lamp surrounds, fender flares, top vent covers, all of that we replaced with brand new original parts. New windshield, all the metal around has been removed, stripped, fully powder coated to better than new. New mirrors. Basically everything we touched when we put it back together had to be as or better than it was when it was new. And it's really turned out to be a fantastic, fantastic example, one that we're super, super proud to have worked with. So, not only does this vehicle look fantastic on the outside, I feel where it really shines is when you're behind the wheel. Indicative of the low mileage, really a time capsule into what this thing was like back in 1995. The cabin, all original, these cloth seats, super comfortable. We've redone the headliner. We took this whole interior apart and put it back together with originality in mind. This vehicle is not pretending to be something it isn't. This 3.9 engine is so smooth. The transmission, with only 29,000 miles, moves through the gears like butter. It really is a great driving experience. But also because we totally pulled this vehicle apart. All the suspension is now new, all the brakes, all the bushings have been upgraded. Everything is now better than what it was back when it left the factory. So, what are your thoughts? Do you like this Defender 90 in Arles Blue, one of only 500? Can you see it in your garage? Would you like to be behind the wheel of this beauty? So the good news is this beauty is now for sale. Check out the link below for our website. Tons of great photos. Give us a call, come take it for a drive, and you could be the new proud owner. Someone's coming to shout at us.